In Windows 11, there's a feature called item checkboxes. Let me show you how it works. So basically, if we open up this folder here, when I hover around with my mouse, notice how there's a little white box that appears. So like right here, a little white box. So if I actually click that box, it selects the file. So let's say I want to select this one and even this one, then using the checkboxes means I've got them all selected at the same time. That's great. I can press Control C, then click on the desktop, press Control V to paste that stuff on the desktop. That works. So I'll delete them now. But there's a way that you can achieve this without even using the checkbox feature. So to get that done, let's start by first turning off the feature. To turn off the item checkboxes feature in Windows 11, all you have to do is open up any File Explorer window, and then you go to where it says View, and then you go down to where it says Show, and then you uncheck item checkboxes. So now there's no more checkboxes. So what if I want to select multiple files? So if you want to select multiple files, all you have to do is hold Control. So I'm going to press this right here, hold Control, and then left click every file I want to select. And when I'm done, I can press Control C. I can go to the desktop and press Control V, or in this case, I right clicked and said paste for some reason. And as you can see, the files appeared here. Now here's another trick. What if I want to select the first 2 rows here, right? There's a few different ways to do it, but I could use Shift. Shift selects everything in a sequence. So if I click this right here, hold Shift and then click here, it's going to select both of these rows. And then if I left click here and I'm still holding Shift, it's going to select more. And then if I go back to this and then click it, it's going to select less because it's really holding on to the range, right? So it's wherever I release it. Now, let's say I don't care about some of these. I want to select all of these. Well, here's another shortcut, Control A. I remember this as Control All, select all. And if you want to unselect things, just click anywhere outside of it and there you go. Now there's more advanced tricks, but they're not really necessary to know. So for example, if I select this image right here and then hold Shift and then start pressing the arrow keys, I'm pressing right, 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 it's going to the right. It's pretty intuitive. And if I go to the left now, it's going to unselect. And if I keep going to the left, it's going to go to the left. But like I said, that's fun. It's cool. Not necessary. And so that's largely why I always turn off the checkbox feature. I find it kind of gets in the way visually when there's really no need for it. By pressing Control, using Shift, and sometimes Control A, I can get done whatever I need to do without seeing those checkboxes.